like
A wife, that how you should be
like
treated.
yes, very good.
Yeah, he treat you like
He
you
didn't
deserve.
he didn't think that I'm gonna stolen her money, cell phone, but he give him the trash to me.
He trusts you.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. When you're nice to them, they will treat you good. When you're nice to your
Oh,
customer.
but
Not
not at
all.
all.
Yeah, right.
Because
That's right.
we
That's
have a
right.
lot of lady boy, but we are a different.
So have you all? It's we all know that walking street it's lot of trans lady boy most pretty. Do you
Yes, many lady boy, beautiful, sexy.
do you compete with them? Are you guys competing each other?
No, for me, I don't compete to them because I believe that they have a lot of own beauty, and then
Are you friends?
it's
All
a
are you guys
customer
friends
choice.
there?
Hmm?
Are you guys friends there?
We're
Or
just talking there when we are in street, but
mm,
we are not really close like that.
okay.
And then for me, I don't need to compete because customers tip choice.
Yeah.
If you like, if
No, because